Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to only allow text entry in Excel. Maybe you have a spreadsheet where you only want names or descriptions, and accidentally someone inputs a number, messing up your formulas. Well, there's an easy fix for that. In this video, we'll show you a simple method using data validation to restrict cells to accept only text. We'll cover the step-by-step process, explain the different options, and even how to customize error messages for a smoother user experience. Before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more Excel tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Okay, let's get started. First, open your Excel spreadsheet. Then, select the cell or range of cells where you want to restrict input to text only. Next, go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Look for the Data Validation button, usually located in the Data Tools group. Click it. A Data Validation dialog box will appear. Under the Settings tab, find the Allow drop-down. Here's where the magic happens. We don't have a direct text-only option, unfortunately. But don't worry. We'll use a formula to achieve the same result. Select Custom from the Allow drop-down. Now in the formula box, type the following, equals istext, A1. Replace A1 with the top left cell of your selected range. So if you selected from B2 to B10, you'd use equals istext, B2. Istext is an Excel function that returns true if the cell contains text and false if it doesn't. Now, let's customize the error message. Go to the Error Alert tab. Here, you can customize what happens when someone tries to enter a non-text value. Check the box that says Show Error Alert after invalid data is entered. In the Style drop-down, you can choose between Stop, Warning, and Information. Stop is the most restrictive. It prevents the user from entering any non-text value. Warning gives a warning, but allows the user to continue. Information just informs the user. Let's go with Stop for maximum control. In the title box, you can enter a title for the error message, like Invalid Input. In the error message box, type something helpful like Only text values are allowed in this cell. Please enter a name or description. Click OK to apply the data validation rule. Now, try typing a number or a date into one of the restricted cells. You should see your custom error message pop up. If you chose Stop as the style, Excel won't let you enter the invalid data. That's it. You've successfully restricted text entry to specific cells in Excel. This is a really useful technique for ensuring data quality and preventing errors in your spreadsheets. You can apply this method to any range of cells where you need to control the type of data being entered. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more Excel tips and tricks. Also, let us know in the comments what other Excel problems you'd like us to solve. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.